Alright, so this is a recording. This is like my take. I don't know what take, because all the videos I've done before have gone bad. Hopefully this one looks good. I mean, it's on my head. I have the GoPro thingy. Okay, first time doing this. Or I mean, with the GoPro. I've done it with my other camera, but I tried the GoPro. I have a GoPro Hero 4. You guys can see. The phone has stopped. Okay, I don't want to use the Apple CarPlay thingy. Phone link has stopped. Okay, I don't care about the phone. Alright, we're gonna have to fill up soon, so you guys can see. I don't know, I kind of feel like it's too straight up, you know? It could be lower, like this. But I'm gonna buy the attachment that you can move up and down. Alright, so let's get going, guys. I probably look like a weirdo with the GoPro. People are gonna look at me all weird. But I'm gonna show you guys the point of view of the C300. I got an old man coming over here. Alright, let's go before I run somebody over. I don't know if I'm gonna have to drive with my head kind of down like this. There you go. Okay, stop asking me about my phone connection. Oh, it's a nice Lexus right there. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are having a good day. I don't know if the wind is messing up with all this crap. I hope you guys are being safe with all this coronavirus going around. I pretty much want to be driving the Evo with my GoPro, but I do have some footage from wearing that headset, which I can't show yet, and I can't say what. It is something to do with the, what is it called? I don't know. But guys, I need to talk to my attorney first before I can post anything. But something did happen with my Evo. Don't want to say anything because I don't want to get in trouble. But once my attorney says it's good to post, I'll post it up, and then you guys will be able to see the footage my Evo caught. Alright, but guys, we're in the Mercedes C300, as you guys can see. Pretty nice interior. Kind of dirty. The windshield's kind of dirty right now. But I mean, this car drives super smooth. You can make it loud whenever you have. It's always good to have your hand sanitizer, especially at this time. I do have a remote for my exhaust. Do not go in or it'll crash into you. Thank you. Let's see if I can get the remote. I did bring tape to tape it up, but this is a remote you can control your exhaust with. You hit the beep button, which is open. You gotta do it like 3 times for it to open, because there are 2. It's pretty loud, guys, I'm telling you. I brought some tape. I'm gonna try to stick it right here. It'll be a little better. Hey, my brother right there. But yeah, guys, so looking so far so good. GoPro still recording. Kind of going in a straightaway right now. Going to slap it in manual. So now we're in D4. Now when you put it in sport mode, which it is already on right now, sport mode, you can see the S, and then the D4, which is obviously drive forward. I wish I had the paddles, guys. So let's see, let me put it at 6. Oh, it's a little too loud. But yeah, guys, so I'm getting a brand new steering wheel from a 2016 model, which I'll show you guys once it gets here. It's gonna be super nice. It's gonna say AMG and everything. It's a bike. Hey, had a girl in the back. Nice little cruise. Downshift's good. think it might be a little annoying having the valves open. Just testing it out. Maybe next time I leave it open, who knows. This video will probably go out tomorrow since I can edit it tonight. So I'm very interested to see how this GoPro recorded. It's a Hero 4. It's not like the new GoPro, so obviously it's not gonna be perfect or flawless quality. What does this car want? I wish I had the little mount that you can go like this to it, because this is perfect spot for it if you go like this. Unless I can put something here. Let's see. Alright guys, I hope this is a better view. I literally put a paper towel. I don't know, this thing is so janky, but I say Yankee. Little paper towel to make it stand out a little more. Let me turn on the valve. Actually, I'm gonna look. I brought some tape right here, double-sided tape, to have it on like that. Pop a little bit. W. What was it, 335i? Plus way behind, way too much. You see over there? It's a nice Mercedes right there. It's over there. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here guys. I just made it to work. What time is it? Kinda late. Just wanted to show you guys, if you guys like this type of point of view driving, I guess, on the Mercedes, let me know. I do enjoy it actually guys. I do watch a couple people who do some point of view driving really. So let me know if you guys like it. I'll make another video, I guess. So far I got like 3 clips. Hopefully it came out good. I can't wait to do this on my Evo. So I can't wait to do this on my Evo. I've done it on my Evo before, but I can't show it yet. But I will go in with my GoPro. And yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's too bright right now. See you guys next time. And as always guys, have a good one and stay safe from obviously the corona and everything that's going on. Kinda gotta go sideways here because I usually scrape right here. Listen, I don't know if you listen, because my pipes. Okay, I guess not. Alright, let me park it guys. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So you guys have a good one.